You are about to witness the destruction of the dinosaur era. Around 66 million years ago, a small asteroid about 10 kilometers in diameter collided with Earth. The asteroid struck near the coast of the ancient continent Laurasia, which is now the Gulf of Mexico region. The impact released energy equivalent to over 1 billion atomic bombs. The collision blasted massive amounts of rock debris into the air. Under the force of gravity, these materials were pulled back to Earth. Dinosaurs near the impact site were instantly vaporized by the extremely high-temperature shockwave. According to scientific models, the impact triggered a massive tsunami, with waves reaching hundreds of meters high, sweeping across nearby lands. And that was only the beginning. The most devastating effects of the impact spread globally. Fires, dust, and acid rain plagued the Earth repeatedly in the following days. Countless species of plants and animals were wiped out, plunging the Earth into a vicious cycle. Wildfires raged across the planet, and no species was spared. The fires and intense heat consumed everything, turning the world into a death zone. Choking volcanic ash and toxic gases spread across the globe, even covering vast parts of the Southern Hemisphere. Large dinosaurs, some over dozens of meters long, were doomed. Their once advantageous size that brought great success now became a burden. At that time, most dinosaurs on Earth were desperately trying to escape the catastrophe. Smaller animals could hide underground or in caves, but the large ones had no way out. Around 75% of all life on Earth was completely wiped out. This was the most recent mass extinction event in history. But what happened to the dinosaurs that managed to survive the initial disaster? Many people now believe that some dinosaurs did survive the early stages of the catastrophe. The widespread wildfires were mainly caused by the dust and rock ejected into the upper atmosphere. When these materials re-entered the Earth's atmosphere, the friction generated intense heat, sparking massive wildfires. Although most dinosaurs perished during the disaster, simulation models of how the heat wave spread revealed surprising results. While the heat wave did expand over time, some areas remained largely unaffected. These possible safe zones could have allowed some dinosaurs to survive. In addition, after analyzing the impact site in the Yucatán Peninsula using professional scanning techniques, scientists discovered a crater 180 kilometers wide underwater. A close look reveals that the top of the crater is open, indicating that the melted bedrock from the impact flowed northwest. This suggests that the asteroid likely struck from the south at a slightly northern angle. Therefore, the Northern Hemisphere suffered greater damage, while the Southern Hemisphere experienced comparatively less destruction. During the dinosaur era, the Southern Hemisphere was home to a supercontinent called Gondwana. Around 66 million years ago, it began to gradually split apart. South America, Antarctica, and Australia were still connected at the time. Many scientists believe that the southern continent, far from the impact zone, experienced less severe damage. Dinosaurs living there might have had a better chance of surviving. But how did they eventually go extinct? And what kinds of dinosaurs lived on that continent? Let's continue to explore and find out.